Hi, I'm Kelly Martin, and I want to be a Google trainer because I absolutely love everything Google. I even created a sticker, Google Geek, that you'll see on all my presentations. I was the lead when my district transitioned to Chromebooks 4.5 years ago. I provided constant and ongoing support in a group setting, small setting, and also one-to-one. This summer, we are transitioning to Gmail, and I am the support for the teachers and staff members and office staff that will be involved in that transition. Our students are already using Gmail, so at this point, it's just our staff members that need to be caught up to speed. I'm in a small rural district in South Lake Tahoe, California. We don't have Google trainers on our staff yet. So my goal is to provide more training for our teachers so that they can be as best prepared as possible. So today what I'm going to show you is something I've seen teachers just don't know how to do in Google Sheets. And teachers nowadays use a lot of data. So what I'm going to review today is conditional formatting. And in order to do conditional formatting, you first need to select the column you want to work with. And I'm going to select this column right here. And what I'm going to do, knowing that these students are in third grade, is I'm going to highlight and color code the ones who are between certain grade levels. So first I select the column that I want to work with, then I go to Format, then Conditional Formatting. So you can see now it's color coded everything green. Well, I don't want to color code everything green. I want to color code the ones that are between certain numbers. You'll see I have some students who are above grade level and some that are below. I really want to highlight a few of them. So I'm going to go ahead and select Format Cells If, and then I'm going to scroll down to Is Between, and I'm going to say is between 3 and 4. I'm going to do between 2 and 3 because we're talking about third graders here. And we're going to highlight these students yellow because this means in this first trimester, which would be about November, they'd be slightly below grade level. And I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And you can see that those students have been highlighted yellow. And I'm going to add another rule. So again, I'm going to select Format Cells If is between, and I'm going to say 0 and 2. And I'm going to highlight those red because I'm very concerned about those students because they're far below grade level. And if I just click that X, it'll close it out. So now I can see how many students I have in that yellow range and how many I have in that red range. That will help me provide intervention for those students.